What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. We've recently checked out Milady meme coin on the channel before, and it is absolutely crushing it, man. Up 30%. You know, it's been on an uptrend, which is absolutely insane, man, for a meme coin. This is just going to be a quick video. My apologies, guys. My internet computer is moving a little bit slow, so I got to figure out what's going on with it. But yeah, man, it's been on an uptrend since, you know, for the past, you know, since around the start of the month. It's been on an uptrend, right? And it recently had a nice break to the upside, so a lot of people are hyping it and talking about it. You know, I covered it back on the channel when it was on a dip, you know. So all of the Milady meme coin holders, congrats to y'all, man. Who knows, this could potentially pull a Pepe, right? Go to $1 billion market cap. It's at 26 mil market cap right now. You know, another what, 14x from here, that would take it to $1 billion market cap. You know, that would be very nice gains in my personal opinion, right? And we know how fast meme coins can just shoot up, right? So yeah, one of the few coins that's up, you know, especially with the BlackRock news that happened. One of the few coins in the space that is up. There's another coin that's up as well, you know, that I cover on the channel. Not gonna get into that, but you gotta look out for the projects that are actually making breakouts, right? You gotta look into those projects, guys. I'm telling you. Listed on KuCoin, Huobi, Bybit. It's also listed on crypto.com as well, guys. The Milady meme coin making a lot of noise on Twitter as well. Yeah, but having a lot of issues with my computer and loading and stuff like that. So let's move over to the Twitter. I'll get back to that. So right now it's at 63.3k followers on Twitter. I see the Telegram group has around 100,000 people in the Telegram group. It does have, you know, it does need more admins in there. It does need more admins in there, but that's a ton of people in the Telegram. So as far as, you know, meme coin project, we already know why it exploded before Elon put out a tweet. There is no meme I love you. He put out a tweet, and then all of a sudden this project was launched and then just absolutely exploded, man. And from there, you guys already know, if you're into DeFi at all, you are in the Ethereum space. I try to be all over in different spaces. Like, you know, I take a look at this blockchain, that I'm on BSC, I'm on Arbitrum, you know, I'm on all the different DeFi, you know, I'm in all the different DeFi lanes, right? I take a look at ZK Sync. But if you're on the ETH, you know, side of things, you would know why the project exploded. It was at 50 mil market cap when I first saw it. It made a huge run to around 130, 140 million market cap, right? Then it made a retrace. Then it went right back up again. Then it came back down to the 15 mil range again. Now it's making another move back up. So who knows, man? You never know. With Milady's, the NFT project, and Milady's are an NFT project, and Remilio's are also an NFT project. A lot of people who are the early whales in Pepe were Milady's holders, right? So, you know, that could be one of the hype factors around the Milady meme coin project, because the Milady culture in the DeFi space, in the Web3 space, is huge, right? They make constant memes. They're crap posting. They are all over the place, right? With huge accounts, right? There's you know, huge Twitter accounts, Twitter meme accounts that have Milady profile pictures. So, you know, the potential for this exploding more in the future, I wouldn't rule it out. When Milady's becomes more popular, I would think Milady meme coin becomes popular as well, right? And this is the tweet Elon tweeted. There is no meme I love you. It's from Elon, and that's what caused the initial explosion. So yeah, then it made a nice move back down. So I saw that 15 mil market cap, just around 10 mil up from where I first saw it, right? If you take a look at the 1 month, let let it load. I have no idea why my computer's giving me issues, guys. But yeah, back here when I first saw it around 50 mil, and it made a huge move after the Elon tweet, did a retrace back down, made another move right back up, then it came back down once again to where I first saw it, and it's making another move up. So let's see what happens with this one, man. I gotta check it out on the channel because it's one of the few projects breaking out right now, right? So yeah, listed on KuCoin right here, listed on crypto.com as well, and they have constant tweets, nice engagement, you know, hundreds of likes, hundreds of retweets, right? And you know, they are just you know, making memes, man. That's what a meme coin does. It's supposed to make memes, right? And just spread its culture throughout the Web3 space, right? This is for more like DeFi people, that are like into ETH, right? Ethereum. You know, they got people that are just Ethereum maxis or only on Ethereum, right? So yeah, man, this fits into that lane, right? And if you take a look at like top tweets as well, currently loading, I'm gonna let it load out. Let me see some of the recent tweets. People are charting the project as well. There's TA being done on it. Let me get past all the bots and stuff. They got so many bot tweets out nowadays, man. See, content creators making videos on it. Milady breakout. Look at that. Oh my, look at this. Oh my god, ladies, are you going to be the next Pepe? Glad I got you. And every dip, you know, who knows, man? It could send like that. It could send like that. Look, because of the BlackRock news, a few more altcoins are starting to break out now. A few more altcoins are starting to break out now, but I saw, you know, ladies was one of the first ones to start a breakout, right? Yes, it's a meme coin, but we know how meme coins be absolutely crushing it, right? We know how meme coins be crushing it, man. You know, so yeah, guys, a lot of tweets about it. Ladies is rocketing while everything else is plummeting. What is going on here? That it started, that's what I'm saying, it started breaking out before a lot of the other altcoins. It started breaking out before a lot of the other altcoins started to make their moves, right? So that's what you gotta look for, man. That's what you gotta look out for, right? So you know, someone calling for it to delete a zero. Look at the chart, ladies. Result comes within 6 hour, target achieved, and it could keep crushing it from here, right? Obviously look for entry. I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project, guys. You know how it goes, especially into meme coins. But yeah, it's on crypto.com. KuCoin could pull a Pepe. You never know. Even if it goes to like 500 mil market cap, half of what Pepe did, you know, it'd be crazy gains. So if you hold a project, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Milady, Meme, and myself will be in the description. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Remember, there is no meme. I love you guys. Catch y'all in the next one.